welcome back. Today we're here on this side of one of our sites here to look at the way we set it up with rock. As you can see, we've exposed a lot of rock up here. This rock is followed the natural ground level, stays at about 400 mil below ground level, but this is the level we need to come down to build our platform. What we're here to show you today is, number one, yes, if we design it properly, we can minimize our excavation in rock. But what we've done is we've actually raised this pad level by 200 millimeters. Doing that, we've eliminated probably 3/4 of the excavation that we needed to have done, which also eliminates the cost to a client. So this is another thing you need to look into when you're talking to a builder, to make sure they're thinking about you, not just about themselves. So the idea of this now is, instead of using screw piers, we'll use concrete piers because the rock is just below. They'll just drill down to the rock, they'll drop concrete on it, and there you go, that's our piering all done, ready to go structurally. Now the whole idea of this is to try and point out that as a caring builder, Eternal Homes, what we do is we try to save you as the client money where we can. There's no need for you to spend money where there's no need to. Now, with a little bit of thought, by raising this up a little bit, we've minimized the expense of rock, which we've actually absorbed anyway. But something like this, if your builder didn't care about you and he only cared about himself and his own bank account, we could have pushed this down to the correct level, which would have meant then the plumbers had to excavate through rock for drainage, electricians had to excavate, and so on it went. You'd probably be looking somewhere between $70,000 to $80,000 as an additional cost. By a bit of thought and a bit of care, which is what we do at Eternal Homes, we've been able to minimize that cost to a point where we just absorb it. So please, when you talk to your builder, make sure your builder cares about you, not just themselves. When you see a slab like this, why it's like this. If you ever look at a plan, you might see something on the side of your house called DEB. It's not a DEB, it's a drop edge beam, 3 separate words. This is what a drop edge beam is. It's when the ground has such a fall to it, but we can't follow it. So what we do is we keep the slab level up here at this level, and then we'll drop the concrete down the side and put a platform down here. Now from down here, that's where your cladding comes up. So when you look at the house from the street, it looks like your cladding is following the ground, but in reality, your floor level is up here. So that's what a DEB means when you see it on your drawing. It's designed to work with the ground. Otherwise, we'd be digging into a massive excavation, which means massive retaining walls. This way, it eliminates all that, which once again, helps you guys on the bank account. Okay, here's the situation. This job here, we've already excavated most of the rock out. There's still a bit more to come out, but as you can see, we put this to the front. This is what's got to be removed from site. With Eternal Homes, we make sure this is all gone, because if it's not, it becomes a headache to you. We try and take away and eliminate all the headaches for you as a client. When we are finished, that is how it will look. Thank you.